Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can turn on predictive text feature on Android keyboard. Alright guys, first of all, let's open up our settings application on our Android phone. And we're going to open the general management setting. We can scroll down to find it. Okay, this is the general management. Click on it, and here we can click on the keyboard settings right here. Okay, and if you want to activate the predictive text feature, we just need to click on this toggle button like this, and now this predictive text feature has been activated. And right after we activate this feature, we will be able to activate the suggest emojis feature, auto replace, and also the suggest text corrections. Alright guys, and that's how we can activate the predictive text feature on Android keyboard. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.